Choosing the right windows for your Layton home is an important decision that can affect not only the aesthetic appeal but also the comfort, energy efficiency, and security of your home. With so many options on the market, it can be overwhelming to figure out which type of window is best for your needs. Whether you're building a new home, replacing old windows, or upgrading your current ones, there are several key factors to consider when selecting windows. Here's a guide to help you make an informed decision when choosing windows for your Layton home. Consider your home's style. The style of windows you choose should complement the architectural design of your Layton home. Different window styles provide varying benefits and appearances, so it's important to choose a style that fits well with your home's exterior and overall design. Here are a few popular styles to consider. Double-hung windows. Ideal for traditional homes, these windows feature two sashes that slide up and down for easy ventilation. They're great for classic-style homes and are simple to operate. Casement windows. Hinged on the side, casement windows open outward like a door. These windows are known for their excellent ventilation and are perfect for modern, contemporary homes. Sliding windows. These windows have one fixed panel and one that slides horizontally. They are a great option for contemporary homes or homes with limited space. Bay or bow windows. These windows extend outward from the home, offering panoramic views and creating more space inside. They're perfect for adding architectural interest to your home and providing additional natural light. Consider the style that best matches your home's design and complements its overall look. Energy efficiency. Energy efficiency is one of the most important factors to consider when selecting windows for your Layton home. With the area's cold winters and hot summers, it's essential to choose windows that will help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature while reducing energy consumption. Here are some energy-efficient features to look for. Double or triple pane glass. Windows with 2 or 3 layers of glass provide better insulation and reduce the amount of heat transfer inside and outside of your home. These windows keep the cold air out in the winter and block heat from entering during the summer, leading to lower energy bills. Low heat glass coatings. Low emissivity, low heat coatings help reflect heat back inside during the colder months and reduce heat buildup during warmer months, making your home more energy efficient year-round. Gas-filled windows. Many energy-efficient windows are filled with argon or krypton gas between the panes to provide extra insulation, preventing heat transfer and reducing your energy consumption. Energy Star certification. Look for windows that are Energy Star certified, meaning they meet strict energy efficiency standards and will help save money on your energy bills. By investing in energy-efficient windows, you'll improve your home's comfort and reduce your monthly utility costs. Durability and maintenance. Windows are an investment, and you'll want them to last for many years with minimal upkeep. When selecting windows, choose materials that are durable and low maintenance. Common window materials include vinyl windows. These windows are affordable, durable, and require minimal maintenance. Vinyl doesn't warp, crack, or rot, making it a great option for Layton's weather. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are known for their long-lasting durability and energy efficiency. They're resistant to extreme weather conditions and require little maintenance. Wood windows. Wood windows offer a classic look but require regular maintenance, including painting and sealing to protect against moisture and temperature changes. Aluminum windows. Aluminum windows are lightweight, durable, and resistant to the elements. However, they can conduct heat and cold, making them less energy efficient than other materials. Consider your maintenance preferences and the climate conditions in Layton when choosing a window material. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are great options if you're looking for low maintenance durability. Security features. Your windows provide protection and security for your home, so it's important to choose windows with reliable security features. Look for the following features to enhance your home's security. Multi-point locking systems. Windows with multi-point locks provide extra security by locking at multiple points, making it harder for intruders to break in. Reinforced glass. Choose windows with impact-resistant glass or laminated glass for added durability. These types of glass are harder to break than standard glass. Sturdy frames. Look for windows with strong, reinforced frames that provide extra protection against break-ins. Investing in secure windows ensures your home stays safe and protected. Noise reduction. If your home is near a busy street or in a noisy neighborhood, you may want to consider windows that provide soundproofing. Double-pane windows are great at blocking external noise, but if you're looking for even more sound insulation, triple-pane windows with thicker glass and gas-filled spaces can help reduce outside noise and create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment. Budget consideration. When choosing windows for your Layton home, it's important to set a budget that aligns with your needs and priorities. While energy-efficient windows and durable materials may have a higher upfront cost, they will provide long-term savings through lower energy bills and reduced maintenance costs. Be sure to consider not only the initial cost of the windows but also the long-term benefits they will provide. Conclusion. Make the right choice for your Layton home. Choosing the right windows for your Layton home is an investment that will improve comfort, energy efficiency, and security. By considering your home's style, energy efficiency, durability, and budget, you can make an informed decision that suits your needs. If you're ready to upgrade your windows, consult with a trusted window professional in Layton to help you select the best windows for your home's style and climate needs. With the right windows, you'll enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient, and secure home for years to come.